Hi, welcome to ShutterLogger, my Sinatra portfolio project for Flatiron School. So ShutterLogger is basically a 35 millimeter photo logger. It can log anything from cameras, lenses, rolls, and even photos. So you can log in or make a new account. In this case, I already have an account. So I'm going to sign up. Sorry, log in. You can use your username or email. Once in, you're brought to your main menu, which you have your cameras, lenses, film rolls, and photos. I already have some cameras here, but I'm going to add a new one. So this one is going to be called, I don't know, Little Minolta. Just made by Minolta, and the model is Maxim 7000. Perfect. Here you can see the camera. It shows you the view of it. So it's currently unloaded because it has no film. It was added on November 30th, and it wasn't edited yet. So let's go back to home and add a lens to it. So same thing. This is a Minolta lens. I don't know what the model is, but I call it the beer can, and it's a 70-10, and it's a constant aperture of 4 with a maximum of 22. I'm going to add it to that same camera. Okay, and then go back home. I'm going to add a film roll. I already have some here. This one already has some photos added to it, so that's why it shows 21 left instead of 24. This one is Ilford, which is a usually black and white film. ISO 400 and comments is HP5. Oops, HP5. I'm gonna add it to the Minolta Maxim. It only shows you the cameras that have no film currently. Once added, you can actually see that the roll has all the exposures remaining, 36. But if I were to add a photo in here, any rating, let's call it sunny day. Description, nice sunny day. Shutter speed, let's say I did 1/200 a second. Aperture 8, focal length, I don't know, 80. Date doesn't have to be a specific date. You can just say anything. So I can say yes, well, not yesterday, a month ago. And time, morning. Location, near my house. Now here, select the camera that I use. So I'll use Minolta. And the roll that I just added with the lens I just added. Now that photo's added, and it shows you information what I just added to it. Shows you there's no edits yet. But if I were to edit that photo, change anything in it, sunny day, with a few clouds. It will show you the edited on date and time. Now, going back home, if I go to film rolls, has 35 exposures left versus 36, so I use 1. Once all the exposures are over from adding photos, the roll will automatically unload itself from the camera, which is this one here. So it's currently loaded with that film. I can force an unload, just like that. Now that it's unloaded, and I go back to film rolls and I look at that last one, it has no exposures left because it was taken away from the camera. I can still see the photos taken with this roll. In this case, just the one photo. Once you delete that roll, here, delete it, confirm. It also deletes all the photos associated with it. And that's it. I can still look at other rolls from other cameras, like in this case. There's 3 photos taken with that. Once the user's done, you can log out. And that's pretty much the application. Well, thank you so much. And now see you guys soon.